And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a thrilling afternoon of basketball action here at the SM Events Hall in SM South Mall, Las Piñas City. It's an exhilarating day for Sinag Liga Asia as we're diving into the second game of the day, this time in the 2001 division. And on your screens right now, you can see Commissioner Leo Isaac, so he's in attendance right now. Get ready for an intense matchup between the Luwid 1 Kapampangan. As you can see on your screens right now, Coach Philip Gary, the assistant coach of the Hustle Rising Suns, and a former NBA G League coach. So watch out for Philip Gary as he has something in store dito para sa Sinag Liga Asia. And he was joined right there by President CEO Ray Alao, Commissioner Rodney Santos, and Boss Rocky Chan. On your screens right now, you can see CJ Delfino of the Pampanga Delta, the Tasmanian Devil, ready to play right now. And on the other end naman for Luwid 1 Kapampangan, itong si MJ Elospa, the do-it-all guard. He's ready to play right now. He loves those mid-range buckets right there. Our game at hand right now is the Pampanga Pradera Delta versus the Luwid 1 Kapampangan here in the Born 2001 division. Once again, we're back here for Game 2. Ang aking pangalan po ay Aaron D. I'm gonna be your anchor for today. And once again, I'm joined by none other than my analyst, Coach Ernest Alao. So, Coach Ernest, tayo na naman for our second game dito.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, bro. Very excited ako. Bakit? Kasi it's gonna be against JRU versus Letran na may splash ng mga Kapampangan. Kaya very excited ako dahil yun yung alma mater ko, JRU eh. So I'm hoping na maging maganda tong game na to for us.
And yun na nga, maraming players na maglalaro dito. Full of experience from the NCAA. They're all gonna be coming here to play. Pero let's talk about our game story muna for today. It's between two Kapampangan teams, the Pampanga Clasico happening right now. And right here, you can see the Pampanga Pradera Delta versus the Luwid 1 Kapampangan. So, mangyayari po dito is two Pampanga teams battling right now for supremacy here in our second game of the day in the Born 2001 division. Luwid 1 Kapampangan, the guys in purple, going up against Pampanga Pradera Delta. So coming up shortly na lang po, Pampanga Pradera Delta versus the Luwid 1 Kapampangan. Pero we're gonna turn it over muna to our game announcer, Ram Valid, for the first fives.
Las Piñas City. Good afternoon mga kasinag. Welcome to SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines. Presented to you by Sinag Liga Asia. And co-presented to you by CDO Food Spirit Incorporated, foods that brings you home. And True Religion Philippines. Catch the live action at Sinag Liga Asia official FB page and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga Asia TV. Our second game, it's a battle between Pampanga Delta Boys, Hotel and Casino, and your Luwid 1 Kapampangan. And now let's meet the starting lineups of the protagonists. First for your Pampanga Delta Boys, Hotel and Casino. Starting at guard from Bacolor, number 6, Carlo Paredes. Also at guard from Lubao, number 18, Justin Bautista. At forward from Cainta, number 34, Sonny Estil. The other forward from Lubao, number 0, June Roque. And center from Angeles City, number 10, Paul Laguindano. Pampanga Delta Boys Hotel and Casino is led by Coach Pedig de Matulag, assistant coaches Pepe Duyag, Totoy Marquez, and Mar Henson. Team owner Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Your Pampanga Delta Boys Hotel and Casino. And now, let's meet the starting five of your Luid 1 Kapampangan. At guard from Mabalacat, number 77, CJ Boytison. The other guard from Tarlac, number 24, Russell Liwanag. At forward from Davao, number 25, Edmund Bundas. The other forward from Tarlac, number 29, EJ Sapazap. And center from Mabalacat, number 18, Jenry Manalo. Head coach and team owner for Luid 1 Kapampangan is Jonathan Benedict Buwan. Assistant coach Benji Navarro and Lemery Parker. Your Luid 1 Kapampangan. Game officials are Jong Banayat, Michael Galutera, Dennis Tolik, and Anzo Nakito. Ito ang inyong sinag.
And yun na nga, you heard it right there from Ram Valid. The starting fives of both teams. In-announce na nga niya dito, Coach Air.
Yeah, we can see sa Pampanga Delta, we have Carlo Ferreras, Bautista, Taquindanum, Estil, and Jun Roque. Sa Luid naman, we have Boytison, Liwanag, Sapasap, Bundas, and Manalo.
And yun na nga, two superpower starting fives ready to play right now. And a jump ball. It's won by Luid 1. Boytison gets that ball. CJ just takes it inside with a nice fake block right there.
Very excited ako dito, Aaron.
And yun na nga, you were telling us kanina about this matchup. So, for the fans na hindi masyadong aware, what are we expecting to see from both teams dito?
Yeah, actually, we'll see great and intense level of basketball. Bakit? Kasi halos lahat yan. College basketball sa NCAA yan nilalaro. Kaya, automatic yan. Andyan yung grit, andyan yung giggle, andyan yung competition. Kaya I'm very excited.
And a quick error right there as you saw on the other end. Bautista drawing first blood in this game with a corner 3. So 3-0 po ang score. Lamang po ang Pampanga Pradera Delta right now. And here we go from the corner. Once again, Bautista. Ferreras. Back to Roque. This is Bautista. Thinks about the 3. Kicks it outside. Roque hit all board. Excuse me, that's Lakindanum.
Yeah, that's a good D. Medyo nag-2-3 muna yung Luid dito. Let's see kung hanggang end ganyan lang talaga yung defense nila. Kasi I think kayang-kaya naman nila to going man-to-man eh.
And it's interesting, Coach, no, na itong si Soliano at si Elospa, they're coming off the bench dito.
Yun nga eh. Coming from a great game, no? Kasi tayong dalawa din yung nag-cover nun eh.
So talagang very deep itong bench ng Luid 1 Kapampangan. Even itong si Nate Manarang, di ba, the shooter.
Tsaka we can see naman talaga na yung wisdom ni Coach Benji and the Coach Benedict, they know what they are doing. Kaya let's see kung yung pagpili, wow, good cut.
Nice backdoor play by Roque, pero he can't finish that.
That's a good cut kay Roque. Kasi kita niya yung defense sa harap niya, occupied dun sa, nabigyan ng high post eh.
And here we go, CJ Boytison. Inside. He drives it all the way for 2. Boytison misses it, gets his own miss, and second serving is good.
Yeah, that's good coming from CJ kasi actually last game wala tayong makitang ganyan sa kanya eh, di ba?
And alam ko, di ba, Coach, itong si Boytison, he's one of the key players din nitong Luid 1.
Right, actually yan talaga yung pinaka-best player nila dyan. Kasi the way he facilitates, the way he controls the game, sobrang solid talaga.
And alam ko, lackluster yung pinakita.
Wow!
Alley-oop right there. Liwanag, one of the smaller guys on the court, getting that touch alley-oop to go.
Touch alley-oop yun, no?
Grabe yun, para kay Liwanag. And let's check this out right here. All the way, lakas move of the quarter brought to you by True Religion. Brand Jeans, Liwanag finishing that off.
Fake handoff, CJ.
Boytison,
grabe
no
yung body control, wala lang.
Nakuha naman ito.
Good effort. Wow.
And that's a put back right there by Manalo for 2.
Yeah, I like the new addition of Coach Benedict dito sa team niya. Solid yung grit, solid yung lakas. Tapos kitang-kita mo talaga ng mga mama na maglaro, Aaron eh, no?
And ito na nga, Boytison gives it left side. Driving is Sapasap, but it's Behind the back pass is almost stolen right there.
Yeah, I liked his objective going to the shaded area. Kasi kita niya nag-collapse sa kanya eh. Medyo nagkaroon lang ng miscommunication dun sa fancy pass.
And ito na nga Manalo.
Good cut.
Oh, but it's stolen right there. And Bautista is gonna push it right here.
4-on-1.
Here we go, Roque
Yeah,
for two.
automatic kay Jun yan. Diyan talaga siya magaling. Coming from a transition, dadakdakan ka niyan.
And a beautifully ran pass break right there. Here comes a pass up inside, stolen by Estil. Bautista naman, pushing it once again, back to Sonny. Estil, Euro! What a tough angle right there.
Yeah, Giannis ng Pinas yan, Aaron.
Ganito
Si
na nga.
Sonny.
CJ Boytison, no good. Rebounded, Manalo for two.
Good job on Manalo, not giving up on the play.
And 8-5 po ang score natin. A quick timeout is gonna be called dito in our first period. Check this out. Lakas grab of the quarter brought to you by True Religion brand jeans. Manalo cleaning up that CJ Boytison missed for two right there. Babalik po kami shortly after this quick timeout.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
And let's take out the last game nitong Pampanga Pradera Delta, winning over Parañaque in their debut, 73-66.
Yeah, medyo maganda yan kasi close game lang yan eh. Ang talagang naging difference lang is yung points from turnover. Kasi magaling talaga dumepensa tong mga players ng Pampanga, kaya doon talaga sila nag-excel sa mga points from turnover nila.
And here we go. This is Delfino. Excuse me, no. Pero ito, this is Sonny Estil. Kick, left wing, three right there by Roque.
Yeah, good shot coming from June. Kasi automatic sa NC, pag perps yung kalaban mo, ang scouting report talaga kay June, let him shoot eh. Kaya I'm happy na talagang nade-develop niya yung, yung area ng game niya sa 3 points.
And ito na nga, this is a pass-up. Driving inside. Whoa! What a move right there!
Grabe!
Dipsy do right there by Sapasa.
From the left area ng court, ng ring rather, going to right.
And a three-pointer attempt. No good right there by Roque. Here comes a pass-up once again.
Good
Nice bullet
pass.
pass inside. Too much traffic though.
Yeah.
Pero nakuha ito. And Mundas misses that putback attempt.
Yung bigs ng Luwid, kailangan nila mas maging aggressive eh. Kasi yung effort na pinapakita ni Manalo, kailangan i-match ng mga kasama niya sa court.
Check out this lakas moment of the quarter brought to you by CDO, food that brings you home. That's a pass-up with a Dipsy do finish right there. Here comes Delfino.
Yan, dyan yung CJ. Actually, magkakakilala rin naman tong mga to eh. Mga naglalaban lang sa Pampanga tong mga to.
Kiambao hands it off. Back to Sonny Estil. Roque, top of
Good
the key.
pass.
Three right there, automatic.
Yeah. Yan yung blessing pag may 4 ka na katulad ni Sonny Estil. Bakit? Kasi you can set up, big yung kuha ng bola, tas yung wing or yung guard yung magsaset ng screen.
Buitison.
Kaya pag shooter ka, you can pop out eh. Ganda ng play ng Pampanga, Royce.
Sa pass-up. And one right there.
Wow! No fear whatsoever tong sa pass-up.
And itong sa pass-up, di ba, Coach? Last game when we covered them, wala siya doon. Let's take a
Yes,
look at this.
oo.
Sa pass-up with the lakas drive of the quarter brought to you by Converge. Yun na nga, as I mentioned a while ago, di ba? Wala itong sa pass-up last game. So ngayon ko lang siya nakita and grabe yung laro niya dito, yung aggressiveness niya.
Yes, actually, ang naging problem kasi nila, 10 lang yung naglaro last time eh. So nagtatranslate sila into a 2-3 zone defense. So ngayong madami na sila, medyo comfortable na ngayon si Coach Benji tsaka si Coach Benedict na sige, this time magman na tayo, lalo na matchup lang naman eh.
And speaking of last game, look who's back in the game, itong si Soliano.
Si Raj. Let's see kung ito yung challenge sa kanya eh. Bata pa siya, tapos ganyan na yung competition na nakakalaban niya. Let's see kung paano siya mag-grow, paano niya i-overcome tong kalaban.
And Delfino gives it to Sonny Estil, pero he's fouled
Yes, that's
by
a
Manalo.
foul.
And itong si Estil, nakikita ko yung mga highlights ito sa Facebook, sa Instagram. Talagang dunker ito, di ba? Very athletic player.
Giannis ng Pinasen si Sonny. Actually, kahit saan na naglalaro yan.
Roque, hands off. Roque, once again, another three. No good right there. Rebound by Liwanag. Liwanag pushing it. He's gonna be against CJ Delfino. Handoff, Boytison. Asking for a pick from Soliano. Nowhere to go right there. Pero a foul is called.
Foul muna.
And 11-13 po ang score natin. Luwid 1 Kapampangan up right now by 2 points. 4 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. Inbound right now. Liwanag's gonna be inbounding it. Pero a quick substitution is gonna be done. Joseph Nunag entering the game. Still exiting the game.
Yes, actually, itong mga players na itong mga ng Pampanga, Royce, halos lahat yan, letran na talaga. Si Gov Delta talaga, si Ninong Gov, halos lahat ni-recruit niya eh. Dahil siya na nga yung, I'm not sure kung ano na siya sa letran ngayon, pero halos lahat ng mga players niya na talagang maganda yung ginagawa sa Sinagliga Asia sa Delta Cup, ni-recruit niya sa letran. Kaya for sure, next season and the next few seasons ng letran, magiging powerhouse din talaga yon dahil magaling mag-recruit si Gov Delta.
Kaya abangan nyo yung Letran, abangan nyo rin itong Pampanga Delta Royce as they have a lot of experience in the NCAA. Nice pass.
Good pass.
This is Joseph Nunag, misses.
Miscommunication, buti na lang.
Rebound by Sapasap. And he
Grabe
gives it.
magtalo ng mga luwit, no?
Itong si Liwanag, grabe yung hops nito. Gives it to Soliano. A double team right there. Good anticipation by Delfino. Pero Boytison gets it back.
Yeah, CJ was very smart doon. Bakit? Kasi scouted na si Raj eh. Automatic gusto niya poste. So,
almost a block right
yeah,
there.
so he's very smart CJ kasi nagstay lang siya doon. Alam ni CJ na si Raj laging going middle yung punta niya pag nasa poste kaya naagawan niya.
Take a look at that big block right there. Pero a foul is called. Off the board sana yun para kay Lumba. Nonetheless, it's gonna be 2 free throws for Manalo. And Coach, kanina sinasabi mo very exciting yung matchup na to.
Right.
And I'm starting to see why you were saying that
Oo,
kanina.
di ba? Wala pang, 7 minutes? Ano agad? Intense?
Grabe talaga itong mga batan to. Talaga yung mga hops nila, mga skills nila, they're all showing it right now. Very athletic players.
Play for Royce. Let's see.
This is Lumba. Back to Joseph. Nunag hands it off. That's a three-pointer right there by Kiambao. No good. And ito na nga, Boytison's gonna push the pace for Luwid 1. Boytison inside. Putback attempt by Liwanag.
Dos ba talaga tong Liwanag? Parang 4 ata yan, Coach Benedict eh.
Grabe naman itong si Liwanag. A while ago with that touch alley-oop. Ito parang bibigyan tayo ng dunk nito ni Liwanag in this game if he keeps this up.
For sure. Magkaroon na ng open cherry pick. Matik yan.
And just look at his height. He's really one of the smaller players on the court. Ano to, mga 5'8", 5'7 lang. Itong si Liwanag. Pero grabe yung talon nito. In the second attempt by Liwanag, he missed that first. 0 out of 2 doon.
Oh, no foul. Buti na lang.
Forward pass, Bautista out to Kiambao.
Yeah, stay sa man. Kayang-kaya naman nila eh.
Ito naman, CJ Delfino. Out to Joseph Nunag. Nunag inside.
Good D coming from Raj.
Sa pasap naman, ang magbababa ng bola for Luwid 1. Sa pasap, just pulls it. Short on that. And that ball is gonna stay with Luwid 1.
Same ball. Actually, di nakikita ni sa pasap. Pag transition, si Soliano tumatakbo talaga sa middle. Actually, yan yung tinuro sa kanya ni Coach Jasper eh. Yung coach namin sa LIP na, ikaw Raj, wala ka namang kamatch base sa height. Tumakbo ka pag transition sa gitna para mabigyan ka ng mga guards natin.
And they say, di ba, reward the bigs when they run the floor. So
Right,
talagang dapat hanapin nila itong si Soliano.
Oo, tsaka actually na-appreciate ko yung effort na ginagawa ni Raj dyan. Bakit? Kasi 6'5 siya, ganyan pa yung height at bigat niya, pero he's doing his best na talagang tumakbo sa floor. Lalo na, iilan lang yung mga bigs na kayang tumakbo, di ba, sa, sa transition. Tendency niyan, iiwanan ka niyan, sige, dito na lang ako para depensa na lang ako, di ba? Pero I appreciate what Raj is doing.
And take a look at this. Pumasok na nga si Manarang and Elospa. So 2 key players, 2 key guards, as well as number 22. Itong si Padilla, he's in the game.
Yeah, actually, I'm very excited for Nathan kung anong gagawin niya dito. Wow!
And the Tasmanian Devil right there.
Yeah, good job. Actually, hindi mo maisisi si Nathan doon kasi paangat yung niya paangat yung defense niya. Ang ina-expect ni Nathan, handoff. So hindi niya pwedeng salubungin or itag si CJ. Kaya good decision from CJ.
Ito na nga, Elospa probing the defense right there, gives it to Padilla. Padilla crosses over, hands it off, stolen right there.
Good job by Justin.
And here we go, Delfino all the way for 2. And 13 all na po ang score, 15-13, lamang po ang Pampanga Delta Royce. Let's take a look at this right now. As you can see, itong si Bautista with the lakas assist of the quarter, brought to you by SM South Mall. Bautista to CJ Delfino on that play. 15-13 po ang score natin. Pampanga Delta Royce up right now. Babalik po kami shortly after this timeout.
J-Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
And back to our ball game, 15-13 po ang score natin. Dalawa ang lamang ng Pampanga Delta Royce with about 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining here in our opening period. It's gonna be Sapasap taking it down.
Yeah, kung nakita natin bago mag-timeout, dun talaga magmamatter sa kung sino yung makaka-make ng mga defensive stops. Kasi nakita natin, Justin Bautista doing his best na makastop ng maayos. Tapos, full effort yung teammate niya na masave yung bola, resulting in a very easy score coming from CJ Delfino.
And Kiambao missing that corner 3 right there. Manarang pushing it to
Good forward
Elospa.
pass.
Elospa thinks about it and pulls it out. Back to Sapasap. Lefty layup is good.
Good pass.
And parang I'm noticing dito, Coach, na yung mga personnel, based on yung mga players nila, parang match-up sila, di ba?
Oo, match-up talaga sila. Kaya tulad dun sinasabi natin kanina pa, Aaron, nakaka-excite to watch to kasi sino yung mga, alam mo yun, gagawa ng paraan to be uncomfortable, mag-effort, mag-sacrifice ng mga playing time nila to do what's best para manalo yung team nila.
And Delfino with an inside
Good
pass.
job by Raj.
Lumba is blocked by the big boy Soliano. Ito na si Sapasap.
Wing! That's a foul. Kita mo, pag tumatakbo talaga si Raj, going to the middle, tapos silan niya yung tao niya, open na open talaga siya kasi hindi pwedeng iwanan ng Pampanga Royce yung mga wing guys nila Sino? Elospa, napaka-shooter. Manarang, mas shooter. Diba? Kaya kailangan trabahuin ng mga bigs ng Pampanga Royce kung paano nila 83-4 to si Raj.
And I'm loving the activity nitong si Soliano and his energy, di ba? Kita mo, on the other end, he gets a block right there, good defense. Tignan mo, takbo naman siya, pababa, seal agad, draws the foul, makes 2 free throws, di ba?
Right, good job doon, Aaron. Actually, tulad ng sinasabi mo, dyan niya talaga kailangan magsipag Kasi dun, tulad nga sinabi natin, last game, nung kino-cover natin siya, alam mong matangkad ka, 6'8 ka, tendency niya napas. Oh, good Gortat screen!
And 4 seconds left dito. Napakagandang layup doon para kay Delfino. Elospa gonna try the last second heave. He doesn't get it off in time though.
Kita mo yung Gortat screen ni Lumba. Libre-libre si CJ.
And good team basketball on the part of the Pampanga Delta Royce right there. Let's check this out. This is the first quarter highlights. Boitison missing that shot. And Manalo with a good putback right there. Ito namang Estil to Roque naman for the pick and pop right there. The stretch big, Roque. And ito naman sa pass-up, flying high with a reverse finish. Dipsy do right there by sa pass-up. A load of highlights right here. Ito naman Delfino with a fake handoff against Soliano. No fear right there by the Tasmanian Devil, CJ Delfino. And yun na nga, ang score po natin, 17-all. Dikit po ang laban natin. Babalik po kami shortly for more second quarter action here at Sinag Liga Asia. Tingnan po natin yung last game ng Luwid 1 Kapampangan. They were let down in a high-scoring affair there. They lost to Santa Rosa 105-112.
Oo, actually, sobrang close game niyan. Sobrang ganda. Ang naging problema lang talaga, walang masyadong manpower to sila Coach Benedict. Actually, makikita natin sa turnovers talaga. Bakit? Kasi si CJ lang yung guard eh. Pag napapalitan siya, nag-i-struggle talaga yung Luwid.
And luckily now, Luwid 1 having a lot of extra players dito in sa pass-up liwanag. So titingnan natin as Estil pulls it from 3 right there.
Good job by Sonny kasi alam niya mabagal yung bantay ko, big man to, tas ito pa yung kabantayan ko, I'll take advantage of this.
And Soliano asking for it down there pero di siya binigyan sa pass-up. Kick to Nate Manarang for 3. No good on his first attempt in this game.
Yeah, that's a good shot selection coming from Nathan.
Bautista.
Good D.
Estil fakes it, takes it, makes it.
Yeah, that's a foul.
Sonny Estil with an end one right there. Good pass by Guarino.
Yeah, you have to love the transition defense of Luwid. Talagang nag-try sila eh.
Check this out. The lakas
yun
move
nga
of the
lang.
quarter brought to you by True Religion Brand Jeans. Estil finishing that shot off.
Right, speaking about Sonny Estil, gusto ko lang bigyan ng shoutout. Yung player namin sa Leap na laging kasama ni Sonny sa mga ligang labas, yung isa sa mga pinakamagaling na players na na-handle ko, si Joshua Bulante. God bless you, brother. Thank you for watching.
And here we go. Manarang, second attempt is good right there.
Good
Mid-range shot by Nate.
Actually, kilala mo yun, Aaron, yung number 15 namin, yung Bulante.
Yeah, we actually covered him na nung last game. Ang daming ginawa nun, di ba?
Oo, sobrang galing nun.
And here we go, a pull-up J.
Wow, good job.
That's Guarino.
Yeah, nakita niya, umander yung defense niya eh. And him being smart, yun lang. Talk about being smart, joke lang pala.
Guarino gambling on that play. Lucky
Good
break.
stop.
Here comes Bautista inside for 2. Just takes the layup.
Yeah, ganyan talaga mangyayari, Aaron eh. Tiga mo, lumayo na. Bakit? Kasi defensive stop after defensive stops. Kaya yun yung nagiging struggle ng Luwid dito eh.
And Elospa trying to drive inside but he's fouled. Ang score po natin, 26-19. Pampanga Delta Roy's up right now with about 8 minutes and 22 remaining. Take a look at this forward pass. Lakas drive of the quarter brought to you by Converge. Bautista all alone on the other side.
Ayun no, hirap na hirap silang mag-create ng shot, mag-convert. Pero yung Pampanga Roy's, puro transition cherry picking lang, di ba?
Soliano with a one-legger right there.
Good job.
Pero yun na nga, I like what you said doon, Coach. Diba? Itong Pampanga, they're getting those easy buckets, easy transition plays. Itong Luwid 1 Kapampangan, pinaghihirapan nila lahat ng points nila.
Good drop coverage by Raj. Yun lang.
Sonny Estil! And that's a foul right there. Kitang-kita, tinamaan yung hand niya on that play.
Yan. And on the other hand, yan naman yung magiging struggle ni Raj. Kung yan, let's see muna.
Manarang inside to Soliano with the lakas shot of the quarter brought to you by CDO Food that brings you home. Soliano with a one-legger right there.
Yeah, like what I was saying, Aaron, kung si Sonny nag-e-enjoy sa matchup niya, on the other hand naman, si Raj, mag-i-struggle talaga siya dito kay Estil. Bakit? Kasing height niya lang halos, pero guard kung gumalaw, di ba? I wonder kung paano niya i-overcome tong challenge. Oh, that's
Oh, that's a
foul.
foul right there in a basket and one. And yun na nga, Coach, remember in the last game, Soliano was brought out early due to foul trouble, di ba? And in this game naman, nakakailang foul. That's 2 early fouls on Soliano. So, kailangan niya i-limit yung fouls na dito kasi siya yung isa sa mga key big men nila for Luwid 1 Kapampangan. Pero Guarino is gonna be heading to the line after that. Good rebound and the putback right there. So, end one play para kay Guarino and he finishes it off right there. It's gonna be Elospa taking it down. Hounded by Bautista. Elospa trying to drive
Good
inside.
jump switch.
Blocked by Guarino right there. And ito naman sa pass-up. Calling for a clear out dito sa pass-up. Takes it inside. Nowhere to go. He just throws it cross court. That's the
He
right
can shoot
pass.
that. Sayang.
No good right there by Manarang. Once again, is still pushing the pace in transition.
Diba? Kakakausap lang natin, Aaron. Yung Luwid, sobra yung struggle. Pagdating sa pagsaset ng play, converting a point. Pero yung Pampanga, dahil sobrang ganda yung depensa nila, yan, like what I was saying.
But a
Good
lucky
shot.
putback attempt is
Yes.
good right there by Mundas. Pero yun na nga, tama yun, Coach. Diba? Pag sa Luwid 1, ang daming galaw, diba? Ang daming ikot.
Right.
Nothing's happening. Itong Pampanga Royce naman, isang pasa, isang layup. Ganun lang, diretso. Diba?
Totoo.
Nice pass inside. Oh, blocked
Good
right
D.
there. And that ball almost hitting us here. Pero buti na lang mabilis ang instincts ni Coach Ernest Alaw on that play. Check this out, replay. Elospa, hounded right there, blocked. Pero Mundas gets his own miss off the putback right there. And an 8-point lead right now, 31-23. 6 minutes and 28 remaining dito sa second period natin. Liwanag is back in the game. Boitizo on baseline drive. Good finish by
Good job
Boitizo.
by CJ. Yeah, yan talaga yung strong suit niya. Right wing, tapos baseline drive. Bakit? Kasi shifty yan eh, tapos acrobatic pa.
So na nga, steal once again.
Good D coming from CJ. Good swipe.
And kita mo doon, Coach, iwan agad ditong si Soliano. Isang rip lang dito para
Yes,
kay
yun nga
Sonny
eh,
Estil,
diba?
diba? Kung walang help yun, easy layup na yun para kay Estil.
Totoo.
Boitizon against Guarino, bumping. Inside, it's a foul before the shot.
Yeah, you have to love the effort of CJ. Bakit? Alam niya mismatch eh. Actually, kahit hindi nga eh. Yung confidence niya, yung ano niya, yung pagiging brave niya. Na sige, kahit magkasing katawan lang tayo, popostehan pa rin kita.
And a substitution right now, Lakindanong entering the game. Sonny Estil exiting the game. So 5 minutes and 55 remaining dito sa second period natin. It's a 6-point lead right now by the Pampanga Delta Royce. Boitizon once again. Mundas offers the pick. Boitizon out to Soliano. That's where he wants it. Pero a foul on the catch doon.
Yeah. Actually, kailangan na mag-adjust ng coaching staff ng Pampanga Royce dito. Bakit? Kasi si Raj, he loves receiving the post dun sa right side talaga ng court.
Kita mo naman yung height difference ni Soliano and yung nakabantay sa kanya doon. Talagang malayo. Soliano once again asking for it. They don't give it. Elospa just pulls that three from the wing. No good.
Yeah, we can see wala pang na-shoot na 3 points yung Luwid dito ha. And we know this team na talagang kaya, di ba?
And hihintayin natin yan. One of their main 3-point shooters, Manarang, is on the bench right now.
Oo, actually kahit hindi lang si Nathan, Aaron, they have Elospa pa, di ba? Na napaka-shooter. Pero for now, nakikita natin siya, nagpa-facilitate lang.
Mundas gets the steal. He's gonna push it right now. Back to Elospa.
Good pa sa wing.
Boitizon tries the three. Sobra yun.
Yeah, that's his problem. Medyo nag-i-struggle talaga siya sa 3 points.
Nice inside pass right there to Roque for two.
Magkakilala na yan. Carlo and June galing sa Perps. Tagal na magkasama. Now going to Letran.
Boitizon out to Soliano. Isolated in the baseline. Once again, a one-legger. Short naman doon para kay Soliano. And ito na nga si Ferreras inside with a
Wow.
jelly right there. Misses that shot pero he's fouled.
Yeah, you have to love the confidence. Kahit mas matangkad si CJ, niliparan pa rin ni Carlo.
And Ferreras, good aggressive drive leading to 2 free throws dito. In some substitutions right now. Papasok muna si Manalo, babalik. Pero let's turn it over muna to our courtside reporter, Francine.
It is a battle between the Kapampangans for our second game, but both teams have very different stories. Pampanga Delta is looking to get their second win, and another Luwid 1 Kapampangan are still looking to bounce back from their 3 straight losses. But it won't be an easy feat for them because Pampanga Delta team is one of the big bosses, ika nga nila, with Kapampangan standouts like the pride of Lubao, CJ Delfino. Pero hindi magpapatalo ang Luwid 1 because they also have their own CJ and CJ Butizon. Now, may the best Kapampangan win. Now, back to you, Coach Ernest and Aaron.
And indeed, made the best Kapampangan win. What a matchup for us ngayon. These two top Kapampangan teams battling it out today in Sinag Liga Asia. Right now, 34-25 ang score. Itong Pampanga Royce Delta, they're currently up right now. Ferreras asking for a pick. Ferreras uses it.
Good switch.
That's a pick and pop right there. No good. Mundas with the board. And here we go. Luwid 1 all the way. No good. Rebound by because Ferreras. Nowhere to go. Hands it back to Roque.
You can shoot that.
And that's a three-pointer right there. No good. Rebound by Lakindano who's fouled.
Yeah, actually, share ko lang. Ang funny kasi di ba sinasabi ko, Letran versus JRU to. Pero sa Pampanga Royce, they have Jonathan Medina. Player din ng JRU yan.
So talagang lahat ng mga players dito, they really have a lot of experience. So quality basketball being played for us ngayon dito.
2 shots were fouled. Lakindanum.
Paul Lakindanum on the line shooting 2 free throws. And nothing but net on that play. And let's take a look dito sa Pampanga coaching staff, Pampanga Delta Royce. Mundas with an inbound right here to Liwanag. Liwanag bring it down. Nowhere to go, guarded by Delfino. Back to CJ. Boitison thinks about the 3, drives it inside. Nice inside pass
Good
right there.
pass.
Manalo with the finish. And an intelligent cut doon para kay Manalo.
Oo, totoo. Kasi hinahayaan na lang nila si CJ na magkaroon ng, ng space para sa ISO niya. Tapos read and react na lang doon para sa mga magre-react sa help side kay CJ. Good job doon kay Manalo.
This is a handoff play. Roque inside, but he's fouled. So 2 shots coming up dito para kay Roque.
Foul number 22.
Substitutions right now. Itong si number 14, Charles Lumbao. Back in the game for Pampanga Royce. So itong si number 0, June Arthur Roque shooting free throws. Short on that first attempt. 36-27 po ang score natin. 3 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Pampanga Royce Delta up right now. Sapasa back in the game. Mundas lalabas muna para sa Luwid 1. And Boitison with an inbound right here. Medina is also in the game dito para sa Royce. He's gonna be the next to guard itong si CJ Boitison. Ito na nga, a pick offered by itong si Mundas.
You can see the aggressiveness of Medina eh. Kitang-kitang JRU product talaga eh. Grabe dumepensa eh.
And mukhang sinabihan siya ng coach nila na tauhin talaga itong si CJ
Oo,
Boitison.
for sure.
And here we go, Delfino.
Ring screen.
Gives it to Pau, Lakindanum, kick, corner, Roque. Long on that 3. Battle for the loose ball. Luwid 1 gets it. Here comes CJ. Too much traffic right there, but he gets the ball back. Liwanag with a touch pass right there to Mundas.
Good job, Liwanag.
Another smart play doon para kay Liwanag. And here we go, Delfino calling the play. Gives it to the corner, Medina. Back to Pau, Lakindanum. Up to the top, Lumbao. Lakindanum. To CJ, Delfino. Two-man game. Delfino, that's a deep three right there. No good. Medina gets the board. Medina, no good on that attempt. Liwanag gets that ball. And here we go. Liwanag alley-oop. Buitison misses the open layup right there.
That's a foul.
Pero mukhang both of these teams, no, coach, they're trying to run right now, getting to the transition. Talagang mabilisan ang laro nila.
Actually, nakapag-adjust na yung dalawang coaching staff eh.
We take a look at this, the lakas assist of the quarter brought to you by SM South Mall. That's Liwanag to Mundas with a touch pass right there.
Yeah, ganda ng touch pass. And good job din sa mga camera men natin. No, nakuha pa rin yun.
Oh, a turnover right there by CJ. And another
Good.
turnover. Ito na, here comes the pass up. Lilipad na. He tries the alley-oop to Liwanag. Pero CJ with an
good
acrobatic
job,
shot.
CJ.
And a quick timeout is called. Sayang yun kasi Estil was on the other side, open.
Oh, sayang yun.
Pero yun na nga. At the end of this timeout, ang score po natin is 37-31. Let's take a look at this lakas play of the quarter brought to you by J Project Clothing Shop. That's Boitison with an acrobatic finish right there. Ang score po natin 37-31. The Pampanga Delta Roys up right now in this game. Babalik po kami shortly after this quick timeout.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
And back to our ball game after that quick timeout. Let's take a look at MJ Elospa versus the TGC Santa Rosa Saints.
Yeah, kaya siya talaga yung pinafocus natin ngayon kasi he had an amazing game last time eh. 24 points, 2 rebounds, 7 assists, and 2 steals. Kaya I hope mas maging maganda yung laro niya dito kasi for sure, magkakakilala rin naman tong mga to. Alam na nila yung mga laro ng isa't isa eh.
And currently, Elospa is on the bench. Bautista tries a three right there. No good. Mundas with the board. He's pushing it against Sonny Estil. Boitiso naman, spinning.
Wow!
Driving,
good
finishing
job.
right there.
Yeah, that's CJ's game talaga. Pag nag-ISO sa'yo yan, ang dami niya talagang arsenal sa game style niya.
And I'm starting to see why you were saying he's
Lalo
the main
na
guy
yan.
of this team. Pero babawi naman si Delfino inside. And ito na nga, the main guy of this Fluid 1 Kapampangan
Yeah,
team,
ganda ng
Boitiso.
matchup. CJ
Oh.
versus CJ din. Oo nga, CJ versus CJ din.
And kita mo dun, iniwan lang niya si Delfino on that play. A
Oo.
quick in and out dribble. This goes all the way itong si Boitison.
Yeah, gusto ko lang sana i-shoutout yung parents si Justin Bautista na si Tito Ernie and si Tita Janice Bautista from Lubao, Pampanga. Thank you for supporting and watching the show, the game po. Thank you so much.
Boitison, first attempt is a miss. Pero siguro, no, Coach, if you were to talk about itong si CJ Boitison, ang pinaka-weakness niya siguro yung shooting niya, no?
Right. Actually, nung nakakalaban pa namin yan, nung 2001 Cup, nung 21 under last year, ang dami, to be honest, ang dami ko talagang scouting report sa kanya. Tapos, ang nakakatawa, hindi rin siya naglaro. Kaya nasayang. Pero, ang half nun talagang, pagdating kay CJ, just let him shoot. Kasi ano eh, alam mo yun, kailangan niya talaga i-improve yung ano niya, yung game niya when it comes to 3-point area.
And here we go, Bautista back to Estil. Inside
Good
pass to
pass.
Lumba. Oh, hesitates. Dumps it to Kiambao. No good.
Yeah, that's a good decision coming from Estil. Pero with his game, sa galing niya, dapat iniran niya na lang yun.
And last shot time dito before the end of our first half. 5.8 seconds remaining dito. Lamang ng tatlo ang Delta. So, Fluid 1 Kapampangan with a chance to tie this game up with a 3. Tingnan natin. Liwanag. What's he gonna do with it? Liwanag just loses it.
Good stop from
Still has a
Sonny.
chance, and he misses that shot right there. Good defense, as
Alright.
you mentioned, by
Close
Sonny
game.
Estil. At the end of our first half, ang score po natin, 37-34. Lamang po ng tatlo dito ang Pampanga Delta Roy. So it's still a close game. Let's take a look at some of the second quarter highlights. Soliano with a one-legged J right there. Gets the friendly roll, the big man right there. Ito naman, Bautista forward pass to Sunny. Still with a reverse finish, the athletic forward right there. And on the other end, Elospa to, this is Edmund out there. He misses it, gets his own rebound. Ito naman si Ferreras. Thinks about the three, doesn't take it. Instead, gives it to Roque for two. And Roque has been very efficient in this game with his three-pointers. Ito naman si Sapasap, tries the alley-oop, deflected. And he gives it to Boytison with an acrobatic finish of his own right there. So a plethora of highlights dito para sa atin. 37-34 po ang score natin. Lamang po ng tatlo ang Pampanga Delta Roys. It's still a close game, anyone's ball game. Babalik po kami for a quick break, and after that, it's gonna be second half action here at Sinag Liga Asia.
What is up mga kasinag? It is the Chief Enzo Galarosa at andirito po tayo for the SLA Inspire Sinag Liga Asia Basketball Clinic in partnership with Leap Basketball PH. Liga na!
Go, ready, stretching.
Unang-una, talagang mag-enjoy yung mga bata. Tapos pangalawa na lang din yung pagde-develop sa kanila kasi makuha lang natin sila na mag-enjoy, maglaro ng basketball hanggang sa pagtanda. Mission success na tayo doon. Kaya by doing this, talagang grateful kami sa SLA family na talagang nagdala sila ng 75 or plus na mga bata para mag-enjoy at matuto.
Ang dami nag-invite sa atin para sa ganitong basketball clinic sa mga lugar-lugar kung saan pupunta ang Sinag Liga Asia para sa buong Pilipinas, sa buong barangay. Sinag Liga Asia, asahan niyo po kami na tutulong kami, pati po ang SLA Legend. Abangan niyo mamaya yan, maglalaro sila. Kaya napakaswerte natin kasi General Ronald Lee, kahit na very busy, naisip niya itong basketball clinic na to para sa Bawang, La Union. Para po sa lahat ng makapanood dito, sakay na para sa Sinag Liga Asia.
Dapat hindi matapos dito ngayon. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung programa natin. Yan ang pinakamaganda dyan. And siyempre, sa tulong ni General Lee, mga ganitong mga basketball clinic at tulong ng SLA sa ng LEAP, ituloy natin ang programa para sa mga kabataan.
Two claps! Two claps! Okay, go, water break.
Thank you kay General Lee and sa mga tao na nag-organize ng event na to. I believe na madami pang magiging kasunod to, hindi lang dito sa Bawang, La Union, kundi sa buong parte ng Pilipinas. Kaya please keep on supporting Sinag Liga Asia and Leap Basketball PH para malay nyo next time, dyan naman kami sa mga lugar nyo.
At yan po mga kasinag, dyan na po magtatapos ang ating Sinag Liga Asia Inspire Basketball Clinic in collaboration with Leap Basketball PH. Tutok lang po kayo kung saan kami susunod nang magbibigay inspirasyon sa mga kabataan. Once again, ako po si Enzo Galarosa of Sinag Liga Asia. We are one.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami, kain love.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
What is up mga kasinag? It is the Chief Enzo Galarosa at andirito po tayo for the SLA Inspire Sinag Liga Asia Basketball Clinic in partnership with Leap Basketball PH. Liga na!
Go, ready, stretching.
Unang-una, talagang mag-enjoy yung mga bata. Tapos pangalawa na lang din yung pagde-develop sa kanila kasi makuha lang natin sila na mag-enjoy, maglaro ng basketball hanggang sa pagtanda. Mission success na tayo doon. Kaya by doing this, talagang grateful kami sa SLA family na talagang nagdala sila ng 75 or plus na mga bata para mag-enjoy at matuto.
Ang dami nag-invite sa atin para sa ganitong basketball clinic sa mga lugar-lugar kung saan pupunta ang Sinag Liga Asia para sa buong Pilipinas, sa buong barangay. Sinag Liga Asia, asahan niyo po kami na tutulong kami, pati po ang SLA Legend. Abangan niyo mamaya yan, maglalaro sila. Kaya napakaswerte natin kasi General Ronald Lee, kahit na very busy, naisip niya itong basketball clinic na to para sa Bawang, La Union. Para po sa lahat ng makapanood nito, sakay na para sa Sinag Liga Asia.
Dapat hindi matapos dito ngayon. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung programa natin. Yan ang pinakamaganda dyan. And siyempre, sa tulong ni General Lee, mga ganitong mga basketball clinic at tulong ng SLA at ng LEAP, ituloy natin ang programa para sa mga kabataan.
Two claps! Two claps! Okay, go, water break.
Thank you kay General Lee and sa mga tao na nag-organize ng event na to. I believe na madami pang magiging kasunod to, hindi lang dito sa Bawang, La Union, kundi sa buong parte ng Pilipinas. Kaya please keep on supporting Sinag Liga Asia and Leap Basketball PH para malay nyo next time, dyan naman kami sa mga lugar nyo.
At yan po mga kasinag, dyan na po magtatapos ang ating Sinag Liga Asia Inspire Basketball Clinic in collaboration with Leap Basketball PH. Tutok lang po kayo kung saan kami susunod nang magbibigay inspirasyon sa mga kabataan. Once again, ako po si Enzo Galarosa of Sinag Liga Asia. We are one.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
And let's take a look at the halftime score dito, 37-34. Still anyone's ball game at this time of the game. The battle of the Kapampangan teams, both of them going hard. None of them giving an inch dito. Talagang, coach, laban talaga to, bakbakan ito between these two teams.
Oo, actually, Aaron, yan talaga yung in-expect natin eh. Talagang magpupukpukan talaga yung dalawang teams. Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi close game lang, hindi nakaka-boring panoorin. Talagang, alam mo yun, walang nagpapabata sa isa't isa. Kaya I'm really excited kung ano magiging outcome nito kasi sobrang close game lang despite of the opposing team being the Pampanga Royce.
Let's take a look at some of the highlights here. That's Zapasap, one of their athletic guards right here. Ito naman si Estil, the stretch big. Taking advantage of the mismatch over Soliano on that play. Ito naman si Elospa, inside pass. Mundas missing it, getting it on the second serving right there. Good relentless play by Mundas. Ito naman si Ferreras. Thinks about the three, gives it to Roque right now, who has 11 points in this first half. Itong si June Roque. He's been very efficient. And speaking of efficient, let's talk about CJ Boitison. This guy has been killing the Pampanga Delta Royce. Some of the halftime stats in our first half, coach.
Actually, isa lang talaga yung titignan ko dyan kasi close game lang. Yung fast break points lang talaga na talagang yun yung kanina pa natin pinag-uusapan, Aaron, di ba? Na laging nagkakaroon ng easy points ang Pampanga. While the Luwid, hirap na hirap makakonvert.
Kaya ito namang Luwid Kapampangan in that second quarter, they started to run a bit more, di ba, coach? They started to get into the open court.
Oo, totoo. Yan na naman, right side, post. Let's see kung lalaroin ni Raj.
And Soliano inside.
Double na siya dito.
Hands it off to
good pass.
No good right there.
Good
Bautista
job by
with the board.
Justin. Being patient para ma-double ng maayos na timing si Raj.
And Ferreras all open. Pero he can't make it. Mundas with a board. So na si Liwanag pushing the pace dito. Liwanag using the pick from Mundas. Calling for handoff. Gives it to Boitison in the post against Bautista. Asking for a clear out. Here we go, Boitison. This is where he wants it. Double teamed right there. Oh, it's stolen.
Bad pass.
Good hands by Estil. And almost another steal right there.
Yeah, good job kay Liwanag. For, alam mo yun, talagang in-expect niya na kay Carlo talaga ibibigay yan kasi transition eh.
And kung naagaw yun ni Liwanag, coach, open
For sure,
yun.
oo. Baka makakita na tayo ng dunk.
And here we go, Ferreras right here. Handoff to Bautista. Another handoff. Roque. Kick. Ferreras, same spot, same result. It's still a miss for him.
Yeah, it's funny, ha? Ay, kay Raj.
And Soliano.
Yeah, that's a foul kay Jun.
Right there.
Yeah, it's funny na si Carlo Ferreras, di pa tayo nakakita ng 3 points niya dito.
And Ferreras not yet hitting the mark from 3-point country in this game.
Yeah, actually, hindi pa talaga sumushoot. Hindi pa talaga siya sumushoot ng 3 points, ha, Aaron. Knowing Carlo Ferreras sa NC, isa sa mga deadly shooters ng NC yan.
And sa pass-up, tries the handoff play doon para kay Mundas.
Yeah.
And a 3-second violation is called dito. So coach, ano ba yung magandang pinakita nitong Pampanga Delta Royce? Kaya they're up by 3 points right now.
Yeah, actually it's not much, Aaron. Ang talagang maganda lang, they're defending well. Sobrang patient nila when it comes to defending, na pag nagkakaroon sila ng opportunity na ma-force ng turnover tong Luwid, makakuha sila ng rebound, yung mga guys, yung mga small guys nila, from wing to guard, tumatakbo talaga lahat. Kaya nagkakaroon sila ng madali na score.
Speaking about easy scores, itong si Roque, he's been very effective in this game with 3-pointers, layups. And ito namang play na to, he's fouled on that reverse attempt, attempting 2 free throws dito. for June Roque, who's been very effective for this Pampanga Delta Royce team. Roque 2 out of 2. So he puts their lead up 39-34 ngayon. Pampanga Delta Royce still up right now. This is Mundas handing it off to CJ.
Don't go there. Ido-double yan.
Soliano gets it. Soliano wants it. Hook shot right
Traveling
there.
ata. Yeah, that's a travel. Yeah, that's a good job sa coaching staff ng Pampanga kasi they can see na talagang nagdo-dominate si Raj when it comes to posting eh.
And talagang they're sending that quick double team agad, no?
Right. Oo, actually ang maganda pa doon, Aaron, kahit dumo-double sila, andun pa din yung ano eh, yung pagiging matalino nila kung kailan do-double ng fully, kung kailan sila mag-overcommit.
And Roque tries the reverse, no good on that play.
Yeah, hindi kasi sila nag-overcommit. Bakit? Si Raj magaling na passer pag nasa poste.
Yan ang gusto ko dito, Coach. Remember last game, itong si Soliano, pag dina-double team siya, he knows how to find his teammates off the
diba?
post.
Pinag-uusapan natin yun.
Pero in this game, maganda yung mga rotations nitong Pampanga Delta Royce, diba?
Yes, oo.
So talagang what do you call it, to stop nila yung post-up action nitong si Soliano.
Yeah. We don't know kung na-scout ba ng maayos to si Raj or talagang sobrang experience na lang nitong mga players ng Pampanga Royce na magaling ka pala pumoste o sige, takutin ka namin kung wari do-double ka namin. And being that guy, ikaw yung nasa poste, nakakailang talaga gumawa ng move lalo na pag umikot ka going baseline. Sa likod mo may guard pala na susundot. Nakakailang yan for sure.
Yung mga guards nila, like itong si CJ Delfino, di ba? Talagang coming up from behind, sneaky plays doon.
Kanina, di ba?
Pero ito na nga, some substitutions dito. Medina is back in the game. As well as itong si Miklat for Pampanga Delta Royce. So 4 na lang po ang lamang dito ng Delta with about 7 minutes and 15 remaining in our third period. Miklat, top of the key. The big man hands it off to Ferreras. That's a corner pass. Back to Bautista. Picked by Sonny. Bautista with a lefty finish, no good. Nakuha pa rin yun ni Bautista. One more try, wala pa rin. Miklat naman. Blocked right there by Mundas.
Good job by Luwid. Yan talaga yung kailangan nila. Magkaroon sila ng mga defensive stops.
And check this out on that play. Miklat tries it from the inside. That's the Lakas block of the quarter brought to you by 0107 Management Group Incorporated. Soliano gets the board, and here comes Boitison. Open court, bounce pass.
Wow, good pass.
Threading the needle to Liwanag.
Yeah, yan yung maganda kay CJ talaga when I'm watching him. Siya talaga yung type ng point guard na parang si Moore eh. Kahit saan mo ipasa, ready ka lang kasi kayang-kaya niya ibigay.
And ito na, this is Bautista with a pick from Estil. Medina thinks about it from the corner, drives it. Pero nakuha ito ng Luwid 1. Mundas gets the board. Here comes a pass-up.
Yeah, they need to run the floor.
The pass-up, slashing inside.
That's a foul.
And Miklat fouls him on that play. Check this out right here. Boitison threading the needle right there. Lakas assist of the quarter brought to you by SM South Mall. Lumusot pa yung pasa na yun from Boitison to Liwanag on that play. Pero sa pass-up, heading to the line. And itong Luwid 1 coach, no, pag-start nitong third quarter, they're actually getting to the line a lot kasi very aggressive sila sa mga drives nila.
Actually, feeling ko talagang in-emphasize ni Coach Benedict and Coach Benji yun na wala yung aggressiveness nila when it comes to offense eh. Pangalawa, wala yung objective nila na kung saan ba mapupunta yung bola. After this, ano na mangyayari? This time, medyo na work on na nila.
And maganda ngayon kasi we mentioned kanina, di ba? Pinaghihirapan nila lahat ng mga tira nila. Ngayon, they're putting pressure on the Pampanga Royce team naman, di ba? Sila yung pinapahirapan nila ngayon on that defensive end. Pero Delfino is back in the game for Pampanga Delta.
To an elevator, sayang.
Bautista back to Medina. Rejects the pick from Miklat. He just drives inside.
Yeah, ganyan talaga laro niya ni Jonathan. High flyer talaga yan.
Soliano gets that board. Here comes a pass up. Crossing
good
over.
Cross. Good
Top
pass.
down, Mundas for 2.
Yeah, we can see sa pass up. Sobrang laking factor talaga ng contribution niya dito sa sa Luwid. Offensively, defensively, he's there. Ready lagi siya.
And here we go, Medina. Back to CJ. CJ looking for a friend right here. Gives it inside to Sunny. Stolen by Mundas. Another
bad
steal.
decision.
And here comes Miklat inside. Bump Soliano. Good defense by Soliano.
Good hustle by Luwid.
And ito
Good
na nga,
pass.
Liwanag.
Grabe, magaling talaga mag-read to si CJ.
And a forward pass out to Miklat. Easy two right there.
Yeah, that's a good read coming from CJ Delfino.
And a very intelligent play doon para kay Delfino.
Oo, kasi alam niya na nabibitawan na ng receiver So automatic yan. Oh, man.
And once again, another turnover. Here comes CJ out to Bautista who's fouled.
Yun lang, no? Sa kanila na yung run. Turnover after turnover.
Pero 41 all po ang score natin. 4 minutes and 46 remaining in our third period. Free throws muna dito para kay Bautista.
Yeah, I'm hoping to see Nathan here kasi feeling ko he will be beneficial para dito sa lineup ng Luwid.
And yun na nga yung mga gumagawa doon sa last game that we covered, Coach. Itong si Manarang and Elospa, they're still on the bench right now.
Oo, kasi medyo masyado nang nag-i-stay yung defensive scheme or yung defensive positioning ng Pampanga Royce sa taas masyado.
And on your screens, you can see the girlfriend of Bautista from Pampanga Delta Royce. So she's supporting Bautista right now. So there you can see on your screen, ito naman si Manalo. And here we go, Liwanag crossing over inside. Liwanag, no good.
Good job by Sunny.
Here comes Guarino. Kicks it, corner.
Good kick out.
And Bautista with a midi right there, no good.
Yeah, actually with Justin's shooting, kaya niya na i-take yun Pero he's being smart. Nakita niya, nag-hard close out. Pero syempre, condition na tong mga to, 23 under na to. Kaya you can expect na after ng hard close out, kaya nila makarecover agad
Bautista with an inbound right here out to Sunny.
Good curl. Kick out.
Guarino, no good. Rebound right there by Mundas. And sa pass-up, gonna slow it down muna para sa Luwid 1. Asking for a pick. Manalo offering it. Sa pass-up, rejects it. Sa pass-up, dumps it to no one.
Yeah, that's a good stop coming from Estil. Yan lang naman kailangan nilang gawin kasi sa pass-up sobrang aggressive when driving. Hindi na pwede dyan yung susundot ka na lang para kunwari humelp side ka lang. Kailangan mo na talagang salubungin yan by tagging him.
Delfino hands it off, Bautista. Bautista takes the three from the left wing, no good. Delfino gets that board. Pick and roll with Sunny. Estil gets it underneath. Estil tries to muscle his way, can't get it to go, pero ball possession gonna be staying with the Pampanga Delta Royce. Lakindanom is also entering the game for Pampanga Delta.
Yeah, we have to love the aggressiveness, tsaka yung grit, tsaka yung, alam mo yun, effort na ginagawa ng Luwid. Kaso, ang kailangan nilang tignan dyan is how will they contest, how will they defend without fouling, di ba?
Here comes CJ Delfino. No good on that three. And ball possession going back to Luwid 1. Elospa is entering the game. MJ Elospa.
Yan, we need to see MJ Elospa contributing here kasi kailangan niya nang makamake ng shots. Medyo tahimik kasi siya dito. Nakakailang score pa lang ba siya? Wala pa ata. 0.
So they're gonna need a lot of contributions dito from Elospa, the missing guy in this game. Liwanag, right wing, no good. Mundas with a good hustle play there. Elospa naman, first shot, no good. Here we go with CJ Delfino. Passes it, Bautista for two. Finishing that play right there.
Yeah, that's good. Good pass din coming from CJ. Alam na alam niya, may mga trailer siya.
And Liwanag with the ball right here.
That's a foul, yeah.
An illegal pick right there.
Oh, he was moving. And that's very smart coming from CJ. Veterano na maglaro eh. Makita kong nagmo-moving screen ka, onting arte, onting angat ng ulo, tawag yung referee.
Some substitutions right now happening for both teams. Boitison back in the game.
Ayan, this is the lineup I want to see. CJ as the point guard. Tapos itong dalawa, Buitis, Elospa and Manarang. Sana maging maganda yung run nila using these people.
And I feel like Manarang is gonna be the one to take advantage of the situation kasi mag-open up yung defense sa kanya as Ferreras hits the 3.
Good shot by Carlo. Ganyan talaga yung game niya. Laging off the ball, laging shot creating. Magaling talaga yung batang yan.
And that's his first 3-point field goal in this game. As you mentioned kanina, shooter itong si Ferreras. Here comes CJ Boitison spinning. Good swipe by Lakindanum. And CJ misses that shot. Here comes Ferreras. Back to Miklat. And one bucket right there.
Good pass. Yeah, and that's the benefits of someone.
Check this out. Lakas drive of the quarter brought to you by Converge. Ferreras to Miklat for the basket and one.
Yeah, yan yung benefits. Pag may big ka na kayang tumakbo sa middle ng court, rim run, kung tawagin, ganyan talaga. Either magko-collapse sa kanya lahat ng tao sa gitna, tapos pwede niyang i-kick out sa corner or sa wing, or drop pass. Good job dito kay Miklat.
And Miklat on the line right now, shooting a bonus free throw. 49-41 po ang score natin. 2 minutes and 4 seconds remaining in our third period. So it's Liwanag, Boitison, Elospa, Manalo, and Manarang. So let's see kung mahanap ba nila itong si Manarang, one of their shooters dito. Boitison asking for a pick from Nate.
Guard to guard screen. You should pop out. Sayang.
And a miscommunication right there. Inside pass to Guarino for 2. No good. But a putback by Pau Lakindanum. And Elospa is gonna take it down for them.
Yeah, they need to communicate kung ano bang gagawin nila ng offensa dito. Nawawala na naman kasi sila. Yan yung nagiging problema talaga ng Luwid. Last time pa.
Elospa pulls it up from 3. No good once again. Here comes Bugarin.
Yan na naman, Carlo.
A miss right there by Ferreras. Guarino gets the board. Back to Ferreras. Doesn't take it. Instead, kicks it to Miklat. Back to Ferreras, another try. Short once again.
Go, run the floor.
And here we go. Nate Manarang pushing the pace out to CJ Boitison. Liwanag out to Manarang. He's gonna take it. No hesitation. Short. This is Elospa.
No foul.
Battle for the loose ball and ball possession staying with Luwid 1. 52-41 po ang score natin. 39.2 seconds remaining, 7 seconds on the shot clock.
Yeah, they need to set up a play here. Medyo wala kasing objective, wala silang run na ginagawa para ma-open yung mga shooters sila eh. Kailangan mag-set up ng play netong Luwid.
And Manarang and Elospa not hitting the mark in this game. Both still score, Manarang already hitting a 2-pointer pero itong si Elospa still scoreless in this game.
Oh, actually, 0-4 na ata siya.
So yung production nila is very low right now. Not what we're expecting from both of these star guards ng Luwid 1 Kapampangan. Here we go, CJ Boitison pulling up. That's a tough shot right there.
Good shot.
And cutting the lead down right now, 52-43. Ferreras. Out to Pau. Lakindanum spinning inside. Nice move.
Good patience coming from Lakindanog.
Ito na nga, last shot time dito para sa Luwid 1. They're gonna give it to Sapasap. Isolated. Up top. Here we go. Crossing over. But a foul is called. And a foul is called right there on Ferreras. So 6.1 seconds remaining dito. So still a chance for Luwid 1 Kapampangan to get off a last shot dito. Sa pass up, but luckily Elospa gets that ball. He pulls it from free throw. No good once again. Manarang, can he get it? No, he can't. He's short on that play. And what a frustrating ending doon para kay Manarang and Luwid 1 Kapampangan. They're currently down right now 11 points, 54-43. Lamang pa rin po dito ang Pampanga Delta Royce as we can see. some of the highlights from that third period. Liwanag all the way for 2. Athletic guard right there, Liwanag. And speaking of athletic guards, Delfino out there to Miklat. Easy 2-pointer right there. And on the other end naman, this is Sapasap crossing over right here, diming it to Mundas. Nice pass right there. And ito naman, itong si Ferreras hitting his first 3-point field goal of the game. The shooter right there. Pero yun na nga, once again, 11-point lead, 54-43. Pampanga Delta Royce up right now. We'll be back shortly for more fourth quarter action.
Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
And on your screens right now, you can see Coach Camille Eisel of the Pampanga Delta Royce, one of the assistant coaches nitong team. So she's gonna be looking to help bark out instructions to her players right there. Pero yun na nga, back to fourth quarter action. 54-43 is the score. Ferreras with a quick floater.
Grabe, that's a bad way to open up fourth quarter. Miscommunication sa simpleng handoff.
And the errors piling up dito para sa Luwid 1 Kapampangan. Sapasap forcing the issue right there, and he gets the foul called. That foul is going to be called on Paul Lakindanum. So momentum, di ba, Coach, really in the favor nitong Pampanga Delta Royce right now.
Yes, for sure. Nakukuha na nila yung kumpiyansa nila. Bakit? Kasi nagiging quick game na eh. Ang problema naman, yung Luwid, nakikipagpalitan, sumasabay sa quick game na mas maganda, maset nila ng maayos, find the open man, find yung mga shooters at scorers nila. Kaso hindi kasi nangyayari dahil nakikipagpalitan sila sa bilis na itong Pampanga.
And at the point of this game na sinasabi mong dinadaan sa bilis ng Pampanga Delta Royce, would it be advisable na ipasok natin si Soliano into the game right now?
Yes, kasi once na ma-stop naman nila yung mga transition netong mga Pampanga, at the end of the day naman, babalik at babalik pa rin yung sa half-court sets nila eh.
And a dangerous play right there. Liwanag falling down, but also dangerous to leave that guy Ferreras open. Pero luckily for Luwid 1 Kapampangan,
buti hindi shoot, totoo.
He's not on target this game. Nakakaisa pa lang siyang 3-pointer.
They need to do a press break here.
Ito na nga, Sapasap gets it. He's against Ferreras right here. Hand off to CJ Boitison. Boitison. Nice pass to Mundas, but it's stolen.
Yeah, the big man, si Mundas, si Manalo, they need to be smarter here. Bakit? Kasi naka-drop coverage or switch lang naman tong Pampanga. Dapat nagpa-pop out na lang sila. Hindi talaga sila malilibre. Bakit? Pag nag-roll sila, itatag lang naman sila ng weak side defense eh.
Boitison out to Liwanag. Liwanag against, that's Bugarin. And here we go. So,
pop out.
Inside play. Oh, what a tough shot right there by Sapasap.
Yeah, that's good by Sapasap. Kaso, he has to understand din na talaga nagko-collapse na sa kanya eh. Kailangan niya matutong i-drop pass.
Check this out. Sapasap driving inside. Gets fouled right there. That's a foul on Paul Lakindanum. So Lakindanum exits the game. Papasok dito si Sonny Estil. So 56-44 is the score. 8 minutes and 57 remaining. A 12-point lead by Pampanga Delta Royce. Sapasap missing on his first attempt. And you can see Sapasap's face. Looks like he's in some type of pain right now. Holding on to his back. Pero Sapasap, second attempt is good. 1 out of 2 from him. And an 11-point lead right now by the Pampanga Delta Royce. This is Guarino, fakes it, takes it. Short on that, pero no box out right there.
Yeah, yung mga small details talaga eh, Ron.
And napakadali yun para kay Lumba. No resistance whatsoever sa pass-up with a difficult shot. And another foul is called. Pero coach, bumabalik na dito yung nangyari sa first half, sa first quarter when we talked about it. Yung sinabi natin na Pampanga Delta Royce getting easy shots, easy putbacks, easy layups. Ito na namang Luwid 1.
Hirap na naman.
Hirap na hirap sila sa lahat ng attempt nila, lahat ng shots nila. They have to work for everything.
Yes, that's true. And that all boils down to something simple lang, Aaron. Yung communication nila, 'di ba? Kasi tulad nga nung na-point out mo kanina, ang bagal na nga ng tira, 'di ba? Ang bagal na nga ng tira ni Kiambao. Hindi pa sila naka-box out. Kaya kailangan talaga nilang trabahuin 'yun. Coach Benedict, Coach Benji has to emphasize talaga na pag may nangyayaring ganun, kailangan nila mag-uusap. May switch ba? Yan, sino ba iba-box out? Sino ba yung kukuha ng rebound?
And ito na nga, Liwanag gets that rebound off the still miss. Sa pass-up with a pick from Mundas.
That's a bad pass.
Another miscommunication once again between Boytison and sa pass-up on that play.
Yeah.
So ito na nga, 12-point lead right now. Time is not in the favor of Luwid 1 Kapampangan.
Oo, and now, sa side naman ng Pampanga, opportunity na to para sa kanila na gawin yung mga half-court sets nila. Let's be patient.
And Ferreras doesn't take the three this time, takes it inside. Out to Bugarin. Back to Ferreras. Doesn't pull the trigger. Back to Bugarin. Step back, that's a tough shot right there. Hits nothing but board. And Boytison gonna slow it down muna. Mundas gives a pick. Boytison pulls it mid-range. Jay hits nothing but board on that play as well. Estil gets the board. Forward pass, Guarino. Back to Bugarin. Cross court to Ferreras. Step back tray by Ferreras.
Muntik na.
Just a bit
shot.
And a quick warning was called down on Ferreras. Ito na nga, Liwanag. He's gonna try sana the three naman. No good. Rebounded by Sonny.
Good box out by Lumba.
Here comes Ferreras. Kick. Guarino, right wing three. No good. Liwanag naman.
Yan, go, run the floor. Kasi dyan lang sila may chance to be better.
Liwanag bumps. No good once again. Liwanag just keeps jumping right here. No good once again. Another rebound. Liwanag with the board. Out to sa pass-up. Thinks about the three. Doesn't take it. Instead, uses the pick from Mundas. Inside.
Good job sa pass-up.
And a quick timeout is going to be called dito. 58-46 ang score natin. Pampanga Delta up by 12 right now.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga. Kahit di sabihin, feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
And back to our ball game here, you can see the Luwid 1 Kapampangan trying to mount a quick comeback dito with about 6 minutes and 35 remaining. Let's take a look at this last sa pass-up bucket, the lakas moment of the quarter, brought to you by CDO, food that brings you home. Sa pass-up, trying to put the team on his back. A 10-point lead right now, still very doable dito para sa Luwid 1 Kapampangan.
Yeah, for sure dito ang gagawin na lang netong Pampanga is to waste the clock.
And ito na nga, Ferreros, hands it off to Bugarin.
Yeah, hindi magmamadali yan. Yan, I'm happy to see na talaga sineset up na nila yung mga plays nila dito.
Medina out to Ferreras. Ferreras splitting the D.
Tas foul pa. Grabe, bad decision.
So a quick foul is called on that possession. Bugarin inbounding it. Nunag is in the game. Joseph Nunag for Pampanga Delta Royce. This is Ferreras. Hands it off to Joseph. Nunag. Back to Sunny. Jab step jumper right there.
Wow! Good job for Pampanga, Royce. Ang dami nilang na-waste na second ng clock doon. Tapos, na-shoot pa ni Sunny, di ba?
And here we go, Liwanag. Back to Boitison. Luid 1 gonna try to make up for that made shot by Estil.
That's a traveling. Oh, lifting. Okay.
And another error once again dito para sa Luid 1. Nothing going in their favor right now. 12-point lead. Take a look at this. Joseph Nuna gives it to Estil with a jab step jumper from the elbow right there. Sunny Estil.
Yeah, and that's the worst thing to see as a coach. Alam mo yun, yung kalaban mo, win-waste yung clock. Let's say, naka-12 sila. Tapos last 10 seconds, masushoot pa. Ang sama nun. Kailangan talaga mag-effort ng Luid 1 dito para makabalik sa game.
Sapasap takes the bump.
Good effort.
With a bruise and a deuce right there from Sapasap.
Yeah, pretty much. Aaron, naging na lang, Sapasap show. Inahayaan na lang nila maglaro si Sapasap. Then let's see, mag-read and react na lang. Rebound na lang kayo. Ako na ulit.
Take a look at this lakas move of the quarter brought to you by True Religion brand jeans. Sapasap taking that body contact like a man and finishing that play right there. And titingnan natin if he can complete the three-point play. No, he can't. Mundas fighting for the loose ball. Estil gets the board. And here comes Ferreras. Estil thinks about it.
Good stopping the ball.
Ferreras handoff. Bugarin out to Medina. Another mid-range J.
No foul. Good effort by CJ.
Here comes Mundas. Almost stolen, and it is stolen right here. Nunag for two.
Oh man, ang daming nasasayang na oras.
And Boitison.
Good job by Royce. Good effort.
Soliano offering the pick to Boitison.
Side push siya.
Boitison. Pick and roll with Soliano for two.
Good job, Raj. Dapat kanina pa yan.
And they keep cutting down the lead to 10 points pero hindi nila mababa under
Yes,
that.
oo. Actually, isa rin kasing factor yung defense nila eh.
And here we go. Can they force a turnover dito? Estil takes the three.
Wow!
Ang sakit nun para sa Luid 1.
Good shot by Sunny.
And at this point of the game, diba, they can't afford to keep trading buckets.
Right,
Ganun.
hindi na pwede. 4 minutes, fourth quarter.
Regardless if they score on this possession, they're gonna need to get a stop on the other end.
Good
Pero this
stop
time,
by Sunny.
a
Being
turnover
scattered.
naman. Here comes Estil to Nunag. Misses the open layup. Ito naman, Medina, free throw line jumper is good right there.
Grabe. Good job on Sunny Estil. Offensively, defensively, ready lang siya to contribute.
And a quick timeout is called on. 67-52 po ang score natin. Pampanga Delta Royce in control right now. Babalik po kami shortly after this quick timeout.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
And once again, we would like to encourage everyone to go ahead and follow and hit that like button at Sinag Liga Asia on Facebook and Instagram. Nandiyan po kami. Diyan niyo po mahanap lahat ng mga updates regarding sa liga natin. Pero back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 45 remaining. Pampanga Delta Royce in full control right now. They give it to Soliano. Soliano inside with a hook shot. Too strong.
Good rebound. Set the play. Spend some time. 10 seconds. Gagalaw na yan.
And Delfino is back in the ball game. He gives it to Medina. Medina looking for a friend. Gives it to Sunny Estil. All alone right there on the baseline.
Things are working out for Pampanga Royce. Nangyayari yung game plan din ng mga coaching staff.
And Elospa, the missing man in this game.
Yeah, that's a traveling.
And Elospa not having his best game right now.
Oo, totoo. Actually, from Manarang to Elospa, hindi talaga nila makuha yung groove nila eh. Kasi siguro na-scout sila ng Pampanga Royce na knowing these two, kahit sa juniors pa lang, 19 under, si Manarang sobrang shooter na. Let's do our best na ma-stop yan. Huwag na natin bigyan ng kumpiyansa. Kaya nahihirapan talaga siya ngayon.
And they tried the alley-oop play there, but it's botched by Luid 1. Here comes CJ Boitison inside for
Good
2.
drive. Go, defend.
Ito na nga, Medina. As well as number 44 is in the game dito para sa Pampanga Delta Royce.
Yan, kailangan nilang gawin dito. Defend, stop without fouling.
Inside, Medina.
Good job.
Stolen by CJ Boitison. Outlet to Elospa. Another sorry play
Yeah,
there.
tulad ng sinasabi ko kanina, Aaron, ang talino talaga nito ni CJ when it comes to, alam mo yun, reading. Kung kailan siya agaw, kung kailan siya lalaro sa passing lane.
Yung mga anticipation
Yes,
itong si Delfino.
anticipation.
Very on point. He gives it to Joseph Nunag. Pops out, drives inside against the bigger Soliano.
Kailangan tigasan ni Soliano kasi automatic yan. Going downhill, mas lamang yung force niyan kaysa sa nakatayo.
And Boitison, drive. Fouled on that drive attempt. So 71-54 is the score. 1 minute and 56 remaining dito, Coach. What are the chances of Luid 1 Kapampangan in this game?
Actually, kaya pa naman. They just have to, alam mo yun, makapag-contribute ng 3 points dahil for now, wala talaga silang ma-shoot eh. Tapos, make some stops without fouling talaga. Yan talaga yung kailangan nila.
And Boitison gonna try to trim that lead down with his free throws right now. Very important free throws para sa kanila. Every point is gonna matter for Luid 1. As he misses on that attempt. And Manalo taps that ball out. Ball possession babalik dito sa Pampanga Delta Royce. Elospa exiting the game after a lackluster game from MJ Elospa.
Yeah, and I'm sure na talagang tinatrabaho ni Coach Benedict, ni Coach Benji, yung team nila ngayon. Ang problema lang talaga, they can't seem to find the, alam mo yun, the way para, wow, good stop!
A big block right there by Liwanag on Delfino. Here comes CJ Boitison. Gives it back, Liwanag.
Good effort by Liwanag.
Defense to offense by Russell Liwanag.
Yan yung kailangan nila, yung intensity, yung aggressiveness. Without fouling talaga kailangan.
And they needed that a lot earlier in this game.
For sure, oo.
And pabati pala po as Governor Dennis Delta Pineda is watching the game right now. So
thank you for supporting po.
Here comes Delfino.
Wow! CJ with his signature.
A jelly right there by Delfino. Showtime. Here comes Boitison. Almost a steal pero deflected out by Medina.
Yeah, that's pretty much it for sure. Kailangan lang talaga trabahuin nila Coach Benedict, Coach Benji, kung paano ba nila makukuha yung groove nila sa team. Kasi talagang problema nila yung yung players nila hindi makapag-commit, laging wala. For sure, lagi naman natin sinasabi, walang tapo na team dito.
And ito na nga, still flying high with a layup right there.
Yeah, kaya kung makomplete tong Luid, this is one team to beat talaga.
And Liwanag switching hands off that miss. Manarang, you know he's gonna want to take that.
For sure.
Oh,
sayang talaga.
airmails that shot.
Yeah, hindi niya makuha yung kumpiyansa niya kasi hindi siya makashoot eh.
And you could see his reaction after that shot.
Yes,
Talagang you could see the frustration.
Oo, knowing Nathan, knowing his hard work, his, alam mo yun, yung effort niya na magtrabaho every time na walang game. Magaling talaga tong batang to. Sayang lang.
And ito na nga, mukhang the game is a done deal right now as Delfino is just gonna waste out the clock right now. 75-57 po ang score natin. Ubusin na lang ni Delfino dito ang shot clock. So 6.6 seconds left and the referees are also gonna let the time run out at the end of our ball game. Ang score po natin, 75-57. Pampanga Delta Royce being triumphant dito in the battle of the Kapampangan teams. Luid 1 Kapampangan falling short in this matchup nila. Really having a hard time, no, Coach, in this game. Pampanga Delta Royce in full control.
Oo, yun talaga yung nangyari, yung pagiging veteran. Actually, lahat naman sila. Ang naging problema lang talaga, maganda yung run, maganda yung effort defensively nitong Pampanga na nagtatranslate into an easy score.
And yun na nga, di ba? The easy scores happening in this game. Pampanga Delta Royce in full control right now. Pero at the end of our game, I would just like to say thank you ulit kay Coach Ernest Alo. So Coach Ernest, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for teaching us all about the game of basketball. Marami naman kaming matutunan dito.
Right, I'm very happy. Thank you, Sinag Liga Asia family, for allowing me na makapag-analyze ulit ng game. And please don't leave yet. Exciting pa tong last 2 games natin.
And yun na nga, maraming salamat again, Coach Air. But we would like to turn it over to Francine Capili, our courtside reporter for the CDO Best Player of the Game.
We are here today with our CDO Best Player of the Game, Sonny Steele, for Pampanga Delta, Royce Hotel and Casino, with 16 points, 5 rebounds, and 1 assist. First of all, congrats, Sonny. May mga times na nakahabol ang Lewitt, pero na-manage nyo pa rin makip ang lead despite this. Ano ang naging payo sa inyo ni Coach to be consistent?
Una-una, sinasabi lagi ni Coach na unahin muna namin yung depensa bago yung opensa kasi yung opensa, alam namin, kaya naman namin sa opensa kasi lahat naman kami kaya maglaro eh. Kaya binabaon lagi ni Coach depensa muna para yun yung dahilan kung ba't kami nanalo.
Speaking of consistency, can we expect more of this from Pampanga Delta?
Una-una, lagi ako nagpapasalamat sa mga coaching staff kasi lagi nila akong ginagabayan sa loob ng court at yun lang.
Now I'm giving you the opportunity to greet and thank anyone you would like.
Binabati ko po yung asawa ko na nanonood, tsaka yung mama at tsaka kapatid ko, tsaka sa anak ko, tsaka boss ko sa Taytay Rizal, si Boss Martin at tsaka si Tita Che, tsaka sa lahat ng taga-Agusan del Sur, Mindanao. Shoutout sa inyo at saka mga pinsan ko, Ondayo family. Still family, yun lang po. Thank you.
Again, Sonny Steele, our CDO Best Player of the Game, who will be receiving a gift pack from CDO. Food that brings you home. Now back to you, Coach Ernest and Aaron.
And maraming salamat, Francine. Once again, the score is 75-57. Itong Pampanga Delta Royce in full control. Pero wag muna kayo aalis mga kasinag as our next game is gonna be between the J Project Clothing Saints and the Hustle Rising Suns, happening in a while, 5 p.m. po yan. So as the echoes of the final buzzer fade away, we bid farewell to an unforgettable showdown between the Pampanga Delta Royce and the Lewitt 1 Kapampangan here in the heart of Las Piñas City. On behalf of Coach Air Alaw, Francine Capili, and the entire dedicated crew working behind the scenes, including Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Boy Etroa, and the countless others. My name is Aaron D. Deeply honored to have guided you today's action. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanood, and to all our viewers, let's keep the support strong for Sinag Liga Asia.